colors.
Sequins would ruin my pantyhose, though. I would always catch my pantyhose with a sequin.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
Go ahead.
Oh, hi! I'm Winona with Twistlet. I have invented this wonderful product for women to be able to carry their essentials. So lipstick, keys, phone, slides in sideways. I attach a bank card pouch. So they've got credit card, money, everything's in one place. You can't lose a wallet. And the threading is the long strap through the short. And now I'm off. And all of my velvets are reversible. They come in splendid colors, and I also work with various artists. This happens to be an artist from Montreal by the name of Eric Waugh. And this is actually a neoprene fabric. So this is for the beach or anytime you're outdoors where you want to be able to carry your phone, your lipstick, your keys away from your beach chair and protect your phone from the weather. And here we go.
So you're trying to tell me we have evening wear,
Yes, I have
and
them
then we
also.
reverse that one and it turns into daytime wear.
And then I have them in sequins and beautiful, beautiful, flashy, sparkly colors.
Sequins would ruin my pantyhose, though. I would always catch my pantyhose with a sequin.
You'll be fine with my sequins. My sequins are soft.
Soft sequins.
My website
Something new.
is Twistlet. It's like a wristlet, but it's a twist on the wristlet. Twistletnola.com. I live in the New Orleans area, and that is where I produce my bags and sell the majority of them.
So, Miss Winona, what is the cost?
The velvets that are reversible are $30. On my website, they're $32.50, but in person, they're $30.
Ooh, nice.
And then the neoprene are $20 on the website.
So they all come with the pouch and the
Yep.
little waterproof pouch.
Yep.
And you can carry your keys and your phone, and it fits on your wrist.
And it's hands-free, carefree, Twistlet.